Hi, I'm Tanya Memme. For the past 20 years, not a week has gone by where I have not been on television, doing some kind of DIY or construction. But for the past decade, I've traveled across America hosting a bunch of popular TV shows. Sell This House, Move This House, Sell This House Extreme, all on A&E and the Bio Channel. I've gutted the inside of more old houses than you can imagine to then completely reconstruct a new one. I did everything from ripping down walls to building furniture. So when it comes to home repair and construction, I have done it all, and I've done it all on TV. I use chainsaws, jackhammers, wood saws, tools of all kinds, paints of all kinds, refurbishing, upcycling, DIYing, and crafting of all kinds. Currently, I'm on a show called Home and Family on the Hallmark Channel. I go on 2 to 3 times a week, and I'm a momtrepreneur / DIY lifestyle expert. I love my job, but it's really stressful. I'm always on a time crunch. I'm always under a deadline. I have to pitch my own ideas, create my own ideas, and then execute them flawlessly on national television. I've been very fortunate in my career to have experienced Emmy nominations, and red carpet events, and all these wonderful publicity events, and it all kind of seems so glamorous, but really, I'm just a mom, I'm a wife, and sometimes it's just a big disaster. You know, as they say, happens, and that's what the show is all about. Hi everyone, I'm Tanya Memme, and I'm the founder of Life Masters. Hey you guys, I'm Tanya Memme, and I've been working with the International Association of Women to host their monthly e-chapter session thing. Like you work hard and then you get.
Yeah.
Right?
So I think that part of it is.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Oh my God!
She's up for it! Back to Life Masters, I'm Tanya Memme. Today in the studio, I am so honored to have Joseph McClendon III. Check it out. And guess who I'm doing the scene with?